right, we're going to do a gentle nervous system reset. This is going to help you feel lighter, calmer, more centered, less anxious, and it just might change your life. Take a deep breath in and out. We're going to go to the hand. This is where we tap on grief, heartbreak, disappointment, good, rejection, all things that might impact our heart space. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. Let's go to the top of the head. Here we're going to be releasing looping thoughts, overthinking, anxiousness. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. You may find that you're going to be yawning. Tears may be streaming down your face. You might feel some energy going down the back of your neck and spine. Your tailbone might start to untuck. Your chest might open up. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. These are all signs of a reset. We're going from the sympathetic nervous system to the parasympathetic nervous system. Good. So right here, we're releasing frustration and anger. Good. Let's go to the outside of the eye. So we're right next to the eye. We're going to be releasing, again, frustration and anger. Take a deep breath in and out. Imagine smelling the roses and blowing out candles. You want the exhale longer than the inhale. Good. We're under the eye now. This is where we're going to be releasing energy around control. So oftentimes we find we can't control things around us. So we try oftentimes and with no luck, which causes anxiety. So we want to let go of that energy. We want to let go of that programming that we have to control circumstances, things, and situations. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. One of my favorite ways to move through that energy is just to say, I'm just going to do my best, right? Our best changes day by day based on how much sleep we have, how much food we have in our belly, how happy we are, whatever it may be. But I like to just say, I'm going to do my best, whatever that is. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. That way we don't have any regrets. Good. So we're tapping under the nose now. This is really important because it helps to connect the mind and the body. And oftentimes when we experience trauma, overwhelm, we can disconnect or check out. So this helps to bring us back into our body so we can process the energy, we can be in the present moment, we can see all available options and make the best choices. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Smelling the roses, blowing out the candles. Good. Let's go underneath the lip. So this spot here, we're going to be releasing wherever we didn't speak our truth. So sometimes we want to say something, but we don't because we're afraid to hurt somebody's feelings or set a boundary. And so that energy can get caught up right here. And I'm feeling a little release right here. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. This is also the energy of when we speak to ourselves. So if you've been speaking unkind to yourself, sometimes there can be some more tension in your throat and in your neck that's released. Good. You might feel the energy draining down your back. Your shoulder blades might be releasing. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Right between your shoulder blades is where we store a lot of willpower, a lot of willpower energy. And so if your shoulders are in a knot, you might be trying to force things too much. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Tapping is good for releasing that energy. Right here, we're tapping on fear. So we're releasing fear from the body. So when we release these emotions, it helps to bring more coherence to the body. So our whole system works a lot better. There isn't really a traffic jam in our body after we're done tapping. Good. So the cellular communication is enhanced, the blood flow is enhanced, the breathing is enhanced, the brain is enhanced, everything is enhanced when we do this. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. So this is not in traditional tapping. When we tap this point, we are offering more compassion, love, forgiveness for ourselves. Oftentimes we don't speak so kindly to ourselves, so this just helps bring us back into our body and offer a little bit of compassion. All right, take a deep breath in and out. Good. We're going to go to the outside of the body, so a hand's width down from the armpit. On the left side, we are releasing energy and emotion around worry, and on the right, we are releasing energy and emotion around anger. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. Go back to the hand. So that was one round of tapping. You can stop here or you can continue. It's best to keep going until you feel totally relaxed. The more that we tap, the deeper the transformation, especially if you are trying to go to sleep or if you're trying to clear some looping thoughts. Good, we'll go to the top of the head. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. Feeling a yawn coming on. Good. So you can tap for as long as an hour. And the best thing to do, or the most effective thing to do, is to tap and talk about the things that you're thinking about. So as we tap, we want to talk about what's coming up, like in our mind. What are we thinking about? What are we feeling? Tap and talk about your feelings. And you might want to talk about where you feel them. So do you feel your shoulders relaxing? Do you feel your stomach growling, or are you hiccuping or burping? All those are signs of resets, and your body is telling you where you're storing your tension, your emotions, where there's blocked energy. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Okay, let's go under the nose. Good. Feels good. I feel the draining behind the ears and the shoulders relaxing. A yawn is coming on. Good.